DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV, weekly pidgin English when we dey bring come give una. I beg country people, if this one na the first time when e be say you take dey watch our video, I use God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you come knack the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news video. Me wey wan knack una the tori this week, na be una country brother again when my name be Stanley Okocha. Our first story for this week dey come.
DJM TV.
Yeah, this first one, yes.
Where's the line now?
There's scatter line again. Which one be this one again? There was scatter line. Yeah, madam, actually. Naku maliki wa yau ga wata mai kele ma ka wani shi.
That is the governor. Bannon. F+4. Not in the apple. Not in the apple on that side. Not children.
There go.
Now children, make them that side. My governor believes for the next 4 years on Bannon, on plate. Yes, now, whether you like it or not, now you know. Now be my governor. Yeah. Yes. We really die for that. We really die for that.
No, because you don't get to take. You don't get to take.
My teacher will continue for where I come on. I'm my leader.
Sorry for you.
I'm my leader. I'm a governor. Yes, now I'm going to have a small
Sorry, sorry.
I'm not physically okay.
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm doing Facebook Live. If you want me to leave, you tell me. You don't have to talk to me as if I'm your baby. Just, you talk to me as man to man, not as if I'm your baby.
I don't be journalist. What do you do? You know, head your guard journalist. And if you are accredited, it doesn't mean that everybody. Nobody needs to tell me. I just came. Everybody must not be on the street today, my friend.
You give preference to old men or youngsters. Because we are good to give preference to women and disabled people. Let them run an office down. I've got governor of Local State, all the states. Come back.
People are saying, governor of the state. He's on the queue. And he's fine. God bless him. God bless him. On the queue. And standing on the queue. Yes, local government chairman will break protocol. Excuse me. This is his first time. This is his first time.
And it's just one polling point for, and this is the largest unit in the center. So let's just hope. Victory can be delayed, but it can never be delayed.
Some people are just been able to log that that it's quite impressive that an influence government is actually training the kids to be able before he's able to have function like be able to vote. I won't be able to say that you're just all citizens trying to do what is quite necessary. And he's also wearing his face mask, as you can see, and we assume look at that right in front of him on the queue to ensure they are able to cast. Yeah.
Shine wai wani akwai da abin ne wanda ake dafa da shi ne
System.
ya canza wani ko a canza wani
Yeah, the system.
Ba lafiya. Wannan ɗan garinmu ne? A'a, ba ɗan garinmu ba ne ba. Ya buɗe ya magana. Ka lafiya. Kai da Gombe ne ko daga ina? Eh? Plateau. Oh, Plateau, amma kake da zane irin nawa? Ya Excellency.
akwai bidiyo da yawa a Plateau.
A Plateau. Amma zane ya yi kama da nawa. Zane ya lafi da
mu ne yan Gombe.
Mu ne yan Gombe daga local government. Kai ba san kwace da Allah kai ga abin din.
Kai ya za ka gani bisa kwace? Ya za ka gani bisa?
Kalmar bakin ki.
Daura magana ai ka san akwai inda mutum sa zama ba wuri ɗaya ba wuri
bai kada ƙuri'a ba tukuna ba. umbrella for him.
ba shi wuri zai ji ba suke na ta inda da wallahi wallahi sai ta
DJN TV.